Pets in your life reflects your inner world. They may not communicate to you in a manner that you would understand, but they have ways and means to communicate with you. And yet, there are few times when you kind of worry and get concerned as to what they're trying to tell you through their tantrums, through their dietary habits, their typical gestures. And at times you want to communicate with them and you find it difficult to express what really you would like to express to their soul, their subconscious mind. Radical can make it easy to understand what pets are trying to tell you and what you can tell your pets. Pets can be amazingly simple to handle. Besides, you can do surrogate healing through Radical. You can help them change their mindset through surrogate techniques, through radical readings, through chakra knowledge, and through special communication. Join me for a course on pet communication. You can also use this course to understand your babies, infants, and people who are invalid and cannot communicate with you. And they will be able to communicate with you in a better way. Plus, you will learn how to heal them with surrogate radical healing technique. Join me for a course, online course on